Hello friends, warmly welcome all of you on my channel. Today I will share with you the top 5 hair care tips. Hair is one of the most essential parts of our body, which enhance our beauty. But continuous thinning of hair and loss of volume have become a common problem nowadays. But today this problem has become so severe that not only the elders but also the children and the young generation are also very worried. Along with these tips, the most important thing you have to pay attention to is your diet. The first important tip for hair growth and making hair good is that you choose good hair oil in your hair. You can make homemade hair oil. First of all, heat half a cup of coconut oil in a bowl, then put 1 to 2 curry leaves in it and let it cool down, then filter the oil, then apply this oil to the hair and massage it. Later, after 1 to 2 hours, wash the hair. Always massage your hair well with oil. By massaging, the oil reaches the roots of the hair and the oil makes our hair long and thick. Ingredients like amla and haritki in Trifla Churna repair damaged hair and increase hair volume. You can mix Trifla Churna with coconut oil and apply it to your hair or add it to your diet. Like any other part of your body, the health of your hair is controlled by your diet. Green tea is rich in antioxidants. Keep green tea on your scalp for 1 hour and wash it off with cold water. Your hair breakage will reduce. Use coconut milk to nourish the hair. Coconut milk not only nourishes the hair but also lengthens the hair. Take 1 glass of water and add 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds to it. Now leave it to boil. Boil it well after about 5 to 7 minutes. After a while, when the color of the water starts changing and the color of the water looks like fenugreek seeds, then this water has to be cooled and filtered. Add 2 to 3 spoons of lemon juice to the water containing fenugreek seeds and mix it well. Now apply to the roots of your hair. That's all for today, but there is a request: if you like the content of traditional home remedies, then please subscribe to the channel. Take care and thanks for watching.